Hello kids, Jai Hind to all. I hope all are fine. Okay, today I teach you small letter G. Small letter G. Which letter is this? Capital letter G. And this one is small letter G. Before starting our topic, I would like to say revise previous topic. These all letters are completed in previous videos. Look at here student. This is our flashcard. Which letter is this? Capital letter G. And this one is small letter G. G for grapes. Turn the flashcard. Say the words beginning with the letter G. G for girl. G for girl. G for guitar. G for guitar. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grass. G for grass. G for gate. G for gate. And G for God. G for God. G for gift. G for God. G for girl. G for gate. And G for grapes. Look at here student. Today I teach you small letter G. Small letter G. G for gum. G for gum. G for gum. G for girl. G for girl. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for God. G for guitar. G for guitar. Here, how to trace small letter G? Here, dots are given, but for 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 4 lines are here. We have to use only 3 lines, but only 2, 3 and 4 lines use. Okay. First, how to trace G? First, little curve up to down side, standing line and little curve. This way we have to trace small letter G. Again, first little curve, standing line and down side little curve. This way we have to trace small letter G. Again, first curve, standing line and little curve. This way we have to trace small letter G. Without words, look at here student. Here 4 lines are 1, 2, 3 and 4. But we have to use only 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Look at here. 2, 3 and 4 down side 4 लाइन है ना, वो हमें टच करनी है. ओके. फर्स्ट little curve up to down standing line and little curve. Again little curve up to down side standing line and little curve. Again, first little curve, standing line and downside little curve. This way we have to write small letter G. First curve and standing line and little curve. This way small letter G, trace and write complete in your notebook. Look at here student. This is our English textbook. Open the textbook and page number 52. Where is small letter G? Small letter G. This way you have to do coloring in small letter G. Look at here, student. This is our English notebook. Open the book and page number 7373. Small letter G. Small letter G. How to trace small letter G? Look at here. First curve, then standing line and little curve. Again first little curve, standing line and little curve. This way we have to trace the small letter G. Turn the page number 74. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Okay, 3 and 4 lines. We have to use only 2, 3 and 4. How to write small letter G? First little curve, standing line and again little curve. Look at here, students. Second and third number of first, second and third line we make curve, then second to fourth line, standing line and little curve. Again second to third line, first little curve and second to fourth line, standing line and little curve. This way we have to write small letter G. Okay, students, this way you complete 7373 and 7474 page number complete in notebook. Look at here, students. 1 line, 2 number, 3 number and 4 number. Here 4 lines are here. Okay, we have to use first, second to third. First make little curve and second to fourth line, standing line and little curve. Okay, this way you complete page number 5 to 52. Page number 5353. Write the first letter of each object. Say the word. Which picture is this? Girl. We have to write small letter G. First, we use only two blue line. Make curve, standing line and little curve. G for girl. Which picture is this? Got. G for got. So we have to write small letter G. Which picture is this? Gate. G for gate. We have to write small letter G. Which picture is this? Green color. We have to write small letter G. Which picture is this? Grasshopper. So we have to write small letter G. Which picture is this? Guitar. G for guitar. We have to write small letter G. Turn the page. How many words can you spot with the letter G? In them, circle them. Which picture is this? Gate. G for gate. So, circle on it. Then, which picture is this? Bag. Very small letter G. So, find it. First, here, small letter G. So, circle on it. Which picture is this? Oil. Here, small G. No. So, don't circle it. Which picture is this? Gum. Where is G? Here. So circle on it. Which picture is this? So here G, small letter G here. No. Here find small letter G. No. So don't circle it. Find. Which picture is this? Mug. Very small letter G. Here. So circle on it. Which picture is this? Grapes. G for grapes. So circle on it. This way complete this page. Thank you.